Everybody, it's Q Marie. I'm back. So I've been kind of like on a planner kind of obsession. So I'm here today to show you how to make cash envelopes. Okay, so first off, sinking funds. I'm into this whole saving money thing. Sinking fund is basically a fund formed by setting aside like money over a period of time for gradually repayment of a debt or replacement of a wasting asset or something like that. To hear more about it or to find out more about this, you want to look up Dave Ramsey. So anyways, like say for example, you have a vacation you want to go to, so you want to start putting money aside so that when it comes to that time, you'll have the money, or at least a large amount of it, so it won't be, so it won't hurt the bank that much. So I wanted to show you how to make the DIY, your own cash envelopes. I know some people order them offline or whatever. I made my own. So just want to show you quickly some examples of some that I've made. And so this is like one I made, and it has a flap and everything. You kind of just put the money inside there, and you can get them to customize whatever the fund will be. So I'm going to show you real quickly. I have this paper. This is going to be for my son. This could be for a child. So when you look at it, you know that this is for your child. Or this one, this is very religious paper, and this could be like either for like tithes or offering, or something that's spiritual related, like a church trip or something like that. Okay, so I'm gonna do this real fast. It's real easy. So I got this paper from Michael's. It was 69 cents, and they also have some on sale too. So what I did was I got an envelope from a local bank as my template. So what I did is opened it up. Just opened it up and use this as my template. So I opened it up and put it down. Gonna take a marker or a pen and start just tracing it out. Real easy and simple. Okay, now that I have traced the outline of the envelope, I'm going to cut along the lines, cut it out. Okay, so I've cut out the template, and again, you can get this paper from Michael's. It's pretty thin. It's not super thin. You can either get cardstock paper. It's in a section, paper section of Michael's, and it's all it has different designs. You can get cardstock. It'll just be thicker and sturdier, but I didn't need that because I'm not going to be doing too much with the envelopes. I'm just going to be stuffing money and put them in a certain specific place, so I'm not going to be touching it too much. But it's kind of thin, but it's not super heavy duty. All right, so what I did is I have it all cut out. So now I'm going to do is just fold just like the other envelope, the template, and you kind of all the parts you see open is the parts you need to fold down. have to be super perfect. Okay, so I have a glue stick. You can either use double-sided tape or you can use a glue stick. I'm just going to use the glue stick. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is put glue around here. Okay, and I'm going to make sure this is creased down good enough and stick it. And then I'm going to glue the bottom. Okay, and then you have the opening of your envelope, and then you just crease that for your flap. Okay, so then you have multiple envelopes, cash envelopes. All right, it's really simple, really easy, really quick. You can either just use regular envelopes, but I decided to make mine to be a little more creative and decorative, and so that I can recognize what cash envelope I need just by looking at it. All right, I will be back with you guys planning babes. All right, talk to you later. Thanks again for tuning in to Key Marie.